last and drive to 20th in the pre-final. How far can he go? In the main, we're green.
Look at that run from the outside. Woon keeping it up and making the pass on Weiland. Great job by Woon off the start to tie things up, keep it on the outside, and now looks to take off for the rest of the pack as they block for about 7th on back.
Dethrone last year's Mini Swift National Champ, who has put on a flawless run here in this X30 Junior main. What a performance here, regardless of what may happen or what could for Ashton Woon, Justin.
Yeah, absolutely blisteringly fast Woon has been ever since I seen him the first time a couple years ago. And now, today, he's kind of emphasized why he has been in the conversation for a couple wins this season in 2025. Now, just needs to make sure he gets to the shark fin smoothly, and then that run up through 16 and 17 before the final corner. Gets a chance to celebrate yet again. Ashton Woon able to put together a stellar race.
Final time, down the long straight. We've seen many first-time winners. How about his first win in junior? Ashton Woon fires the bow and arrow and wins round 5. Ashton Woon's through the scales. It's official, it's real. He's an X30 Junior main event winner here at the Summer Nationals. And what a drive to do it, holding off Max Weiland and a frenzy. He was good to start the season, keeping up with Alexander Vanchev, who's been the class of the field. But today, the class of the field is that young man driving the 795.
Thank you. Ashton, you've won here at the Newcastle Motorsports Park for the Summer Nationals 4 years in a row. You do it here, your first in junior. How does it feel?
Feels amazing. I've been trying all year. I've been working really, really hard. I've been trying to get this win all year. I knew I've been fast every race, and it finally came, and I'm super duper happy to get it.
And I know it's definitely crossed your mind a little bit this weekend, but it was a huge swing in championship points for you against Alex. I mean, how does it feel, still keeping yourself alive as far as championship goes in here in X30 Junior?
This win definitely will help the championship a lot. Alex didn't have the greatest day today, but it will help me a lot in the championship, and hopefully I will get the championship win.
Who would you like to thank for this victory?
I thank my mom, my dad, my sister, my whole team, Alex, Mario for giving me a good engine, all of my friends, and Gene and Max, and just everybody who has helped me and helped me through my whole career.
Congrats, Ashton.
Thank you.